Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and I'm so excited about today's video because a representative from Electribrite reached out to me and offered me to try and review one of their products for you guys for free. They didn't pay for the video, but they did give this to me for free, so just full disclosure on that front. And that's awesome because that's like the first time this has happened in the 3.5 years I've been running the channel, and I feel like a real YouTuber. So I'm just really excited for it. I think it's really, really awesome. She gave me the option of 4 different products. 3 of them were hair straighteners, but I just bought a hair straightener, so I didn't do that. But this one is a hair straightening brush, and apparently, ooh, the handle there says 450 degrees, but apparently you can do it at like a lower temperature than a straightener, I think. So basically I haven't really looked at it too much other than just pulling it out of the package it came in. I'm gonna do like all the unboxing and first looks and reading the instructions and everything with you guys so we can try it out together. And then I'm gonna do my hair with it because it is a mess right now. Basically I just let it dry from the shower and put it up in a bun. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna try this today and I'm so excited for it. Oh, one more thing. The company did say that they would give me a code to give you all lovely people 30% off if you're looking to buy one yourself. I will link that down in the description below. So if you're looking for something like this or it's been on your list for a while, get a discount. So the representative of the company emailed me and we were emailing back and forth for a little bit, and I did say that I want to give an honest review. And as long as they were okay with that, that I would review the product on my channel, and they were okay with that. So I'm going to give a very honest review. Just putting that out there. But we're gonna start just with the overall look of the box. It's a really pretty ombre color from pink to kind of a seafoamy blue. Let's see, negative ions, anti-scald comb teeth, 60-minute automatic shutdown. I do like when products have that. I'm actually pretty good about turning my heating elements off, but some people aren't, and that's important. Voltage at worldwide voltage, I guess. So this side says PTC heating technology with a little, I think it looks like a baking bread logo, and then 13 temperature settings, infrared, and temperature memory function. So maybe you can like set it. We're going to open it up. Maybe, there we go. So this is what it looks like just out of the box. So this just kind of curled up. So we have what looks like carrying case, travel case, little flocked bag, and then the actual tool itself. Oh, it comes with a little comb. Comes with a little rat tail comb, which is nice. Instructions and warranty. Apparently I was chosen as a lucky customer. I don't know what this is. Activate your warranty and you will get a free gift. Might do that, but I'm not doing that on camera. I will read the instructions. There's a little silica gel packet, and that is it. That's the whole box. So I'm gonna read these and then we'll get started. We'll see how it works. Okay, so I just read them all. They're very straightforward. I've never used a product like this before. Generally speaking, I read the instructions anyway, but I really wanted to read them this time. And I'm glad my hair is dry because I thought maybe it would be a dryer that I should use on damp hair, but like the day got away from me and my hair is dry now. So I was like, okay, well, maybe I can't use it, but it's not a drying tool. It's a styling tool. So I'm glad my hair is dry. It does have this handy little chart in there. I really like that they do that. For my hair, I think it's like medium hair, so it's going to be around 350 for the low end of that. It's got like little walkthrough instructions. So we're going to open this up and get it plugged in. Let's take a look. Ooh, that's really pretty. Wow, that's super pretty. So it's gray, but it's got a little metallic, I don't know if it's showing in the camera, like this little metallic band that's purple. It's really, really pretty. And then it's got this plastic wrap over the back just to keep the handle and the buttons nice. So this is beautiful, actually. This is a really, really pretty styling tool. I like the way it feels. It is heavier than a normal brush. It's not super heavy. It's a little bit heavier than my straightener, but not bad. Look at the bristles on that brush. Those are insane looking. They're like, oh my gosh, that's so weird. So the outside ones are normal brush bristles, and then the inside ones, I don't even know if I can do it. Like imagine 2 columns coming up and then the little bristle at the top, and then it looks like something in the center. Those must be the heating ones. I guess that makes sense. It's the heating one. All right, so let's do this. I'm gonna plug it in and turn it, so it says off. When you first plug it in, it says off, and it's meant to, according to the instructions. So we're going to hold the on button for 2 seconds. 1, 2. I held the plus button. Do I hold the on button or the plus button? 1 second. Press on off button for 2 seconds. That makes more sense. We'll hold the on off button for 2 seconds. Ooh, and it automatically started at 430 degrees. That's what it is heating to. That's not what I want. So I'm gonna press the down button until it reaches 350. 350 is what my straightener goes at. That's what I'm gonna trust. That still seems really hot for hair, but I don't actually know much about hair and I'm trying not to fray it. And it works with my straightener. So I'm gonna let that heat up. It's got a little dial that's like ready and building. So I think that just needs to heat up. So I'm gonna take down my hair now and, you know, just like bear in mind, I let it air dry from the shower. I don't even know if I brushed it when I put it up. It's gonna be a mess, and that's kind of the point of the video. So just bear with me here. A little bit of a lion's mane. Let's see what this baby can do. So I don't know if you're supposed to segment your hair off or not, but that's what I always do when I straighten my hair. I think it's just easier to work with smaller subsections of hair. Pretty sure I'm supposed to use the comb to segment it, and I already used my finger, so I'll use the comb to brush it instead. And then I'm still using it. There we go. Normally I would split this section into 2 sections, so I'm gonna do that. And then from root to tip and just kind of go down. I don't know how fast you're supposed to go, but this is about how fast I go with my straightener. And they're both 350 degrees. Granted, my straightener is 2 slabs of metal squeezing the hair in between each other. And this is just running through the tines that are heating, but we'll see. And I dropped it right on the spot I hadn't done. So let's just do the other spot too. We'll do the full segment and see where that gets us because I didn't properly do that. Sorry. There we go. That should be all of it. So my hair's warm. It's not quite as hot as it is when I do the straightener. That's quite nice. I think that's quite nice. We'll do one more all together and then I'll do the proper segments on this side. There we go. Yeah, I think that looks really nice. I can just see myself in the little viewfinder. That's really nice. All right, let's do this side. We will do proper segments this time. And we will brush. So also in the book, I saw a little spot where you can twirl the hair over the brush. This one picked up a larger section too. And that's kind of what I do with my straightener. So I'm kind of interested in trying that, but I want to try it fully straight first and just kind of see how that turns out. Because this is, you know, I wouldn't say like necessarily easier than straightening my hair. It's kind of the same motion. It takes thus far about the same amount of time. What I'm hoping for is just kind of a casual, natural, straight look. I don't really wear my hair straight a lot. I usually curl the ends, mainly because I have really bad split ends and I haven't gotten them trimmed yet and that hides it. But yeah, I'm hoping for something that I can just kind of like, you know, do. Like I feel like I could do this when I'm not looking at a mirror. Like sometimes you don't have access to a mirror, not often, but like sometimes, and you can use this, like you can straighten your hair with this when you don't have a mirror, and that's really nice. You cannot say the same of not having a straightener, or should I say like using a straightener when you don't have a mirror. Like you need a mirror because you're crimping your hair into position, straightening it into position, curling it into position, like whatever. If you don't have a mirror, you're gonna get some weird shapes. This is the second section of my hair. That's actually really difficult to say. Second section. We're going to brush all the little knots out. Maybe we're going to brush all the little knots out. There we go. So I don't know, this doesn't seem like a whole lot of hair. This brush is pretty big. I'm just gonna go for the whole section, like one side and see how it works. Gonna kind of go slowly down it because I don't really want to go over a section multiple times. In the pamphlet, it does say you can. Personal preference, I don't really like to do that. So we're gonna go slowly and do one side. You guys, I like that. That feels so soft. It feels really, really nice. The woman I was corresponding with also said that you could dab in a little bit of essential oils and then run the brush through it, and then it would make your hair smell amazing. And that sounds really awesome. You guys know I love like rose and lavender, and then actually I've really gotten into like rosemary for oils I use in my hair just because I love the way it smells, like for no other reason other than like it smells nice. But I don't have them out and I'm not trying that this time. Oh wow, that looks weird. There we go. Just gonna brush that out a little bit. I don't usually use a comb this small, just FYI. I don't usually use a comb at all. There we go, that should be easy. Okay, so we're gonna do this side first. This little lock right here, oh, it's too big. It's like kind of my nemesis because I'll straighten it and then flip it backwards, and I have like this weird, really weird spot in the back then that I have to go in and like particularly straighten also. So we'll see what the brush can do for that. So I'm just gonna brush it once going backwards to kind of help myself out a little bit. Feels kind of nice. We'll see how it looks. I did not brush this section well enough. So this does kind of operate like a normal hairbrush in that it is definitely brushing my hair, but also if a section's super ratty, I think probably because the little tines on the brush are so fat, because they have the heating elements in them, that it's a little bit, you know, like you're not going to be able to brush it through your hair super fast if your hair is a little bit on the knotted, matted side. Like mine apparently is. There we go. I think brushing it quickly though, like that's, my hair's getting warm but not hot the way it does when I do it slowly or with my straightener. So we'll do one more slow one. Okay, so this side I haven't really done yet. I can definitely see a difference. Let's go ahead and get this side done, and then we'll do like final overall looks. I kind of want to try the curling over the edge. Like we'll see. That'll be like the real test, you know, like it's kind of hard to tell, like if I go over it more slowly or more times or at a higher temperature, yeah, of course it's gonna get straighter and straighter and straighter. That's just how it works. But I think that, ooh, I love this. Okay, I told you I have that weird spot back there. I can literally just brush it down like a normal hairbrush, and I feel like that's going to straighten that area out. So I'll flip around in the back and show you when I'm done. And we'll see if it actually did it. But I feel like, yeah, it's getting rid of the weird like crimp action I always put in there. There we go, and brush my bangs back as you do. Got a lot of hair in here and it just cleans right out, which is really, really nice. And then my de facto styling technique. Here we go. I'm gonna show you the back. Hopefully I don't have like a weird crimping action going on there. And I just get that because I pull my hair forward to crimp it, so when it goes back, it's got like a weird little bounce there. But I think this looks great. This is just a really nice casual straighten. I'm going to try and curl the ends a little bit. Why am I trying to brush my hair with a hair cloth? I don't know. We're just going to give that a little little try on just the tips of the hair and see what it does. So when it's brushed, it actually looks really nice and straight. I really do like that. And then I'm just gonna take the very ends because my hair really desperately needs a trim. We're gonna run it in, loop it over like it says to, and just kind of slowly go down. This is not as slow as I go with my straightener, but we'll see what it does. That's actually really lovely. That's a beautiful little tuck under curl. It looks super natural. It doesn't look like super contrived and curled the way my straightener does. Like, full disclosure, I like that look. That's why I do it. But sometimes you just want to look a little bit more natural, but still hide the sins of the split ends. That curl will do it. That looks beautiful. I'm super impressed with this. I really, really like this. I'm gonna try the bangs real quick and just kind of get myself a little curl on these. I don't usually curl my bangs down. Why did I do that? Let's curl these up. There we go, just get a little bit of bounce in them. Now that I've grown my bangs out, I tend to like curl them back a little bit so I get a little bit of face framing. Yeah, wow. I think this looks awesome. Look at that. That's really nice. Really, really nice. Looks good. It's straight. I've got that little curl at the end, just like very slight and subtle. Oh, I really like this. I really, really like this. I'm gonna turn it off real quick so that I don't end up burning myself accidentally. And we will let that cool down and we will unplug it and unplug my lights in the process. Those will boot back up in a second. But yeah, oh my gosh, you guys, I really, really like this. This works really well. I'm honestly like a little bit surprised because it never even occurred to me to buy a product like this because they just seem like they don't work, right? But this totally does. Like, it's a warm hairbrush and that's really, really cool. And I really like it. I will probably still be using my straightener because I do like that really tight curl look. But some days I'm just not into it, and like just having a brush that I can use and I know will get rid of like the weird frizz and weird like, you know, crimpy, curly, doesn't know what it's doing hair that mine does when it just air dries, and just having like a style that's easy to do and casual, that's fabulous. I'm so excited for that. This is a product, like I said, I got it for free. But had I known how it worked, I probably would have bought this. You can get it on Amazon, and there the lights go. Yeah, like I said, they are giving me a 30% off code for you guys that I will link down below. If you're already in the market for a product like this, or it's been on your wish list for a while, go ahead and treat yourself at a discount. So I want to say thank you to Electribrite because they did send this to me for free to review for you guys. And I'm really, really excited about that because it's just really cool. And also, this is a really awesome tool that I now own, and I'm so excited for that. And it's also really pretty with the purple. It's super, super pretty. I don't know if the other ones are different colors. I didn't check that, but this one's purple and it's pretty sweet. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was informational for you guys if you were looking into this product and just wanted a review on it. And I will see you guys again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.